Sangeeta Sao, and today I am going to take very interesting topic, and that is electricity and circuits. This is lesson 12 of class 6 with reference to NCERT. If you like the video, kindly subscribe for my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon for further notification. So let's begin with electricity and circuits. We all are very familiar with electricity, aren't we? And what is circuit? Now in class 6 you might be finding this word new, or might have studied in class 5. There on the page on the slide you can see a circuit. I'll be explaining all this as we go further. So let's have the next slide and we will see what is an electric cell. You might have seen many of the cell like Duracell and which basically we call a battery, and the cells we put in torch or in clocks and different instruments we use. And there you have positive terminal and negative terminal. Now what is positive terminal and negative terminal? These are two terminals of the cell which make us complete, we connect wires to it, and with this wire we complete a circuit. An electric cell produces electricity from the chemicals stored inside it. You can see in the next, in this very same slide, in the next diagram, B diagram, you can see there that electricity is produced by the chemicals stored inside the cell. When the chemicals in the electric cells are used up, the electric cell stops producing the electricity. The electric cells then has to be replaced. Like we always say na, cell khatam ho gaya, ab naya cell dalna hai. तो ये जो अंदर के कंटेंट है, केमिकल कंटेंट्स, ये इनका रिएक्टिंग पावर या इनका रिएक्शन कंप्लीट हो जाता है, जिसके के कारण अपन को सेल्स बदलने पड़ते हैं. जो रेड कलर का बैटरी होता है उसको आप अगर विद द परमिशन, ड्यू परमिशन ऑफ योर पेरेंट्स, आप अगर फोड़ के देखेंगे तो अंदर आपको कार्बन रॉड ये जैसा दिख रहा है वैसा सब मिलेगा. सो दिस इज अ cell. Now let us understand a circuit. Let's have the next slide. A circuit. Here it is represented by diagrams. Bulb and the connection is wire, and then a cell with a positive and a negative, and a switch. Here the switch is off. अगर हम इस स्विच को, जिसको कि हम की कहते हैं, अगर हम इसको प्रेस कर दें तो पूरी इलेक्ट्रिसिटी फ्लो होने लगेगी and the bulb will glow. So this glowing of bulb, and when the switch is in on position, it is called a complete circuit. And by this circuit, if we keep on replacing bulb with some other element and keep on replacing the bulb, like put wood there, put iron there, we can find out what is bad conductor and what is good conductor. Because if the bulb glows, then it is a good conductor. If it does not, it is a bad conductor. But remember, there are times जब bulb ही fuse रहता है, that is जो उसका filament होता है bulb का, वो टूट गया होता है, तो जिसके के कारण bulb glow नहीं होता. तो कई बार you have to first check that your bulb is okay. So now let's see the next here, how to check a good conductor and a bad conductor. You can see on the screen when we put some steel, you know, in the second diagram, simple electric circuit, when we put a steel there, the bulb glows. When we put a bad conductor like wood, the bulb is not glowing. And in this way we can find out that the thing, whatever we are using, or if we are very inquisitive, we can make a project out of it. Good conductors and bad conductors. Make a circuit, put a good conductor, the bulb will glow. If it is a bad conductor, bulb will not glow. And this way you can make a project of this. But you have to first verify that your bulb has a good filament. The thin wire that gives off light is called filament of the bulb, and that should not be fused. If it is, then you cannot find it out. Now next I have a slide where I have given list of good conductors and bad conductors. You can prepare your very own circuits and see if it is correct or if it is not correct. And with this, the electric circuit provides a complete path of electricity to pass, that is current to flow, between the two terminals of the electric cell. The bulb glows only when current flows through the circuit. In an electric circuit, the direction of the current is taken to be from positive to the negative, saying that the current always flows from positive to the negative terminal. And let's see the diagram of a torch out here. Inside the torch, what we have. Now this is the view of the torch. Here you can see the bulb, and you can see the reflectors, the plastic chasing, and the slide switch. When the slide switch is put in the on position, the circuit is completed and your bulb starts glowing. This is the basic mechanism of a torch. Now let's see what is insulators and what are electric conductors. As the name suggests, electric conductors are those through which the electricity can flow. That is the good conductors and good conductors of electricity. And now thing is, what are insulators? The insulators are the bad conductors of electricity. Insulators do not allow the electric current to pass through them, and you might have seen that our copper wires, which are good conductor of electricity, are covered with by rubbers, because rubber is a bad conductor of electricity, and we usually take wood, or we wear rubber gloves, or we wear rubber chappals whenever we work with electricity. So insulators and conductors are of equally importance to us. Switches, electric plugs and sockets are made of conductors. On the other hand, rubber and plastics are used for covering electric wires, plug tops, switches and other parts of electric appliances, which might touch people or which might conduct the electricity. So with this new chapter, we have learned the terms like conductors, electric cells, electric circuits, filaments, insulators, switch and terminal. I am sure you might have understood this. If you have any problem till class 6th level, and if you have any problem, you can just put it in the comment box, and I am sure I will be clearing it up. With this, thank you so much. Have a nice day. Take care. Save electricity. Bye.